Hey everybody, so back with another video. I did soak off the set that I did before the with the little moon and the cat because I was not feeling the black nails. I was getting sick of looking at them. So I soaked them off like the night before. And here I'm just taking off the extra length. I did have those nails on for a little bit because I did a fill, so I had a little bit of length. So I cut that off. I already did the little exfoliating of the cuticles. And here I am removing the shine off of the nail. I sped this up a lot because y'all don't want to be here all day, I know. So I only put the clear down where I'm going to do my encapsulations. And then, because I want to save my clear tips. Like, I feel like, you know what I mean? Like, I only want to use them if I have to. And I have the same exact tips in clear and natural. So those are ballerina tips. And I basically use the whole tip. I just cut off the little part because it kind of rounds out at the end. So yeah, and of course I'm doing my dehydrator primer, and that is the gel base. And y'all look at my little jar. It was a candle. I got it from the Dollar Tree because I was like, I want one with the top where I could screw on. So I had my dad take the candle out of it because I can never find that size of a mason jar to use for my nails because they come in like sets. You know what I mean? They never have them like just a single one. So we are doing money nails. I already did my other hand, so I had some pieces cut up. And I did burn them, like the corner. I just burned it real quick and then blew it out. Don't be burning stuff around all these chemicals though, like the nail liquid and like any alcohol, acetone, none of that. I burnt mine before I even pulled out any of my liquids. So if you're gonna burn them, and this is from a $1 because my friend gave me $100, like a fake $100 bill, but I was y'all, I don't ever have cash on me, and I'm not a cashier no more, and I think so. I haven't been around cash in a while. Girl told me while I was looking at this bill, and I was like, I want to use it, but girl, it's blue. I'm so dumb. Like $100 bill, like the newer ones, they're blue, and I wanted to do green nails, so I just got like a $1 bill and cut it up. That one's like that little Illuminati looking piece. I don't know what you call it. And then the other one is just like the little decoration on the corners, and then like that little round part was some what's that language? Some Latin looking thing. It looked cool, so I don't know. And then I'm gluing down. So I glued that down, and I'm just using the IBD gel resin. And y'all, I got this idea from Lovely Mimi again. Are y'all sick of me? And actually, the green I got from Pinterest, but like the little encapsulations I got from Lovely Mimi. She had like the bills, burned them, and used little broken glass pieces and foils. So that's what I'm doing here because it looked really 3D. Um, and I saw on Pinterest a picture kind of like that too, but they had like the green in the background. But I didn't want to put green down first. I just wanted it to be clear because the other nails are going to be green. And let me tell y'all, I made them too extra again. Like, I wasn't trying to be extra, but like, I can't stop myself. I don't know why I'd be so extra until the end, and I'm like, oh, this is a lot. It's a lot. So I glued everything down, so now we are ready to do the acrylic. I already put like a thin layer of acrylic down first, just to, because I always do. This green is from Sassy. I just got it from the beauty supply store. I don't know. It's just the only green they have. They don't have those many colors, y'all. So if you've come across it, it's the brand Sassy, Sassi. That's the brand that my beauty supply store be selling as far as their nail products. Um, it was good. It was just like I felt like I don't know, like it's pigmented but not. I don't know. But and then that glitter is literally the glitter that I always use, y'all. That I mixed up myself. It's a whole bunch of different like gold glitters. Like I don't know, every gold glitter I've ever had, it's been dumped in there. So that's the glitter I'm using. Am I being a little extra with the glitter? I feel like I was. I feel like the green probably could have been just by itself, but Y'all, in the moment, I'd be like, oh, I need some glitter and stuff. Like, what? And now I'm looking at my nails because I put stones too, girl. They're extra. Just like me, I'm extra. I try not to. I'm going to slow it down here in a minute to show you the encapsulation of the money, just to show you that, you know, like, you have to cover everything, especially when there's different textures and things. It could be a little difficult. The first thing is to make sure it's glued down in the corners. I think y'all saw me gluing it down. Make sure the corners are glued down and cut off any extra pieces, because when you start capsulating, you're not going to be able to get the acrylic up under everything. So, yeah. And I've been wanting to do money nails for a while, but I couldn't figure out what I wanted to do to my nails. See, I'm making sure them corners are down. I'm putting in, oh look, I'm putting some glitter too. Just to, I don't know, add some extraness, y'all. But, yeah, I didn't know what to do with my nails, and I don't want my fall set yet. I think I'm gonna do like a pumpkin spice thing for Thanksgiving, but it's too early. It's still October, so I was like, let me try the money. I want to either money nails or do brown nails, but I was like, let me do money nails because I've been wanting to do them for a while. And that is my flex brush I was talking about y'all in the last video, the size 18 flex brush, and I really do like it. Like, I don't know, it helps me go a little bit faster. It just like drags the product perfectly. I can't explain it. So I slowed it down for y'all. Okay, so here we are, putting down a bead at the bottom, just basically making sure everything is encapsulated. Okay. I don't really use super watery beads because this is like a fast dry powder, the clear that I have, so it's not going to be watery anyway by the time you put it on the nail. I know some people, you know, they do watery beads, so it kind of soaks into all the places. Just make sure you're getting it onto all the crevices. If there's like an opening on the bottom, put the acrylic and swipe it to the top, if that makes sense. Like, just make sure everything is encapsulated. And I was very proud of myself because I've come a long way. I remember doing encapsulations, and when I would file, it would reveal my encapsulated things and they'll be popping out. So this time when I was filing, it didn't. So yeah, you just have to, first of all, that's why also I didn't put the layer of the green on the bottom, because I feel like then it would be too thick, you know what I mean? Because then it'll definitely be bulging out. But since the bottom, I basically had no acrylic, I just put some on the nail bed, that what I'm encapsulating was super flat to the nail. So that wasn't a problem. But if you put like a layer of color first, it's kind of, you know what I mean? It could be bulging out, or you're going to have to make it too thick. So that's another thing, you know? And yeah, I'm just slowing it down for you. But look at that flex brush. I just love it. It just swipes everything perfectly. I honestly think this might be the brush, y'all. I don't know. I have so many I've been playing with. I'm trying to have like, you know what I mean? Like the one brush for everything. And this one might be it. And I just look at all those other brushes I spent money on. But it's okay. We all go through, you know, you gotta find what you like. Oh, and the liquid I'm using is the Nail Supply Glamour, their essential one that's supposed to be good with all powders. I don't know if I noticed anything different. Like, I'm like, I mean, yeah, it works with all powders, but I don't know. But that's what I'm using. And tell me why, y'all. Okay. I was, you know, doing these nails, and I was thinking that I had those little triangular pieces of the stones. Y'all know the ones that look like an arrow or something? Well, tell me why I don't have that. Like, I had got some pieces from Nail Supply Glamour last time when I did order, and I thought it came with that, and it didn't. It was, I'll show y'all, I used what I got, but it wasn't that. It was like a rounded, like a little semicircle moon and like a straight one. I used it, but y'all, I was ready to use them little triangular pieces. I was going to be showing directions, like, I wanted the arrow. Anyway, speed it up, y'all. But yeah, that's how I encapsulate everything. Obviously encapsulate the color, but we encapsulate them pieces with all the Y'all really want to make sure that it's all in there. Like, if there's any gaps or anything, you really want to make sure. And I'm just so glad I've come a long way, y'all. I done came a long way because literally my stuff used to poke out the nail. Oh Lord, I can't remember. But yeah, then encapsulate all the other ones and stuff. I didn't show me putting on all the stones because I didn't know what I was doing. As you could see, it came out real extra, real busy. I did use a mixture of Swarovskis and regular ones. I think this is me trying to put on that. Yeah, so that's the semicircle piece I'm talking about. I really thought I had the arrows, y'all, but I didn't. Um, that's a piece I got from Nail Supply Glimmer as well. Like the little shapes, they're usually from Nail Supply Glimmer. Um, I have those gold ones. Oh, and the green ones I got when they had the what do you call it? The little clearance at Hobby Lobby. I got me plenty of different ones. So I just wanted to use the gray one because when am I ever gonna use it? Like for real. I only used like 2 of them, but I just got colors because I was like, oh, I might use it. Probably never again. I barely ever do green nails, but I just wanted to add that in there. And I didn't really show everything else because I literally was just randomly going. Oh, and y'all, this reveal was just so like satisfying. I just had to slow it down. Of the encapsulations that y'all done work so hard for, like it be, but when you put that clear on top, girl, look at it. It's so satisfying. I can't even. Just when you put, because like when you're filing and everything, you're just like looking at all the shimmer, but it's like not popping through. Girl, when you put that top coat, yes. I love it. I know my nails are busy. Do you see? Oh, and that straight piece I was talking about with the stone. Yeah, I don't know. I was just doing stuff, y'all. Look at that. You can see the broken glass. You can see the foil, the glitter, and the little Illuminati from the money. I don't know. Is that Illuminati, y'all? What's that piece? The little triangle with the eye. It looks like some Illuminati, don't it? Let me stop saying Illuminati. They're gonna come and get me. Okay. And the thumb, I did a whole bunch of like squiggled. Like, y'all, I was doing the most. Like, what? And on the other hand, I did a kite piece because I forgot I had got kites in my middle finger. Y'all need to tell me to stop being so extra. I could have did like just the money nails, but I don't know. I'm on vacation this week, so I just felt very like I want to do some extra. It's my vacation week where I'm not gonna do nothing, but still. And the other hand was like the eagle part of the money cut in half. But yeah. So that's my, take on the money nails. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but stay tuned because y'all know I love doing nails and don't mind recording it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna holler at y'all later.